Imagine a machine that cuts both steel, MDF, and acrylic. Another machine for cutting metals and non-metals produced by our company, Ricktron technology. This machine is going to a new customer. This machine cuts steel sheets as well as MDF and acrylic and various non-metallic items. Let's test it starting with the cut of a carbon steel sheet of 1.2 millimeters thickness. For this cut, we will use only compressed air as an auxiliary gas. The gas pressure is 10 bar. In this test, we will cut the sheets to assemble a portable barbecue. Very easy to assemble just by fitting the sheets together. I designed this project to take on my fishing trips. We will also use the steel cutting machine. We will take advantage of the sheet to cut some decorative elements and the name of our company in cutout sheet. Note that for the barbecue, we could have used stainless steel that does not rust. But since it's just a cut and only to test the machine, we will use carbon steel. The laser cutting machine is much faster. It is very economical, consumes little energy, and has very high profitability. For thin metal sheets like this one we are cutting, we can use only compressed air. If it is a sheet thicker than 1.5 millimeter, it is necessary to use oxygen as an auxiliary gas, but with very little pressure. The metal sheet is at 1 bar, which means low consumption. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. This will help you receive relevant content. Having a laser cutting machine with hybrid capacity, that is, that cuts both metal sheets and non-metallic materials like MDF, acrylic, and various other materials, offers several advantages. Let's see some. Expands the range of materials that can be processed with a single equipment. Allows serving various markets such as metallurgy, furniture, and factories. Decoration, advertising, and architecture. A single machine that replaces the need to acquire specific equipment for each material. Avoids the need for several specific machines, optimizing the factory layout. Ideal for companies with limited spaces or that want to optimize productive areas. The ability to quickly switch between materials allows serving various areas, varied and personalized demand. Ideal for on-demand production or small diversified series. Enables producing varied items from technical metal parts to decorative and advertising products. Lower initial cost when acquiring a single multifunctional equipment compared to multiple specific equipment. These are just some of the main features of the Leclerc. These are just some of the advantages of the hybrid machine for metal and non-metal. Now we are already cutting a 3 mm thick MDF sheet. We will cut the name of our company in cutout sheet with the same file we used to cut the steel sheet. In many cases, the same design can be used for different materials. We will also cut a small box to store screws. This machine has a 130-watt laser tube to cut non-metallic materials. With this power, we can cut MDF up to 9mm thick and acrylic up to 20mm serb. See a preview of how it has already cut steel and cut MDF. Check out how pretty this little screw storage box is. For more information about this machine, feel free to email me at ricktronoutlook.com. Now we will cut this acrylic, which is a mirrored and colored acrylic. Then we will also cut a transparent acrylic. We will use the same file with the cutout name of our company that we already cut in metal and MDF. We are using a reduced cutting speed because in the test we used a low power laser tube. We only installed the high power laser tube upon delivery of the machine to the customer, for them to receive it unused and also for safety. For cutting non-metals, a glass laser tube containing a gas mixture is used. This tube is sealed and when receiving high voltage, generates the laser. For cutting metals, a fiber optic laser source is used and the laser is generated by high-powered diodes. For this specific customer, a 2000-watt source was installed for cutting metal sheets. Now we will cut the transparent acrylic. The acrylic is 3mm. Acrylic can be used in various products such as displays for stores, signs and visual communication, showcases and protections, aquariums, luminaire, keychains and personalized gifts, decorative pieces and furniture, among many other applications. As you can see, there is a wide market for laser cutting of acrylic. Acrylic has several advantages. Excellent aesthetics and shine. High durability in indoor environments. Resistant to UV rays, especially treated versions. It is sustainable as it can be recycled and reused. See what a fantastic result we have. The same cutting file of our company's name cut in. Again, for more information about this machine, feel free to email me at ricktronoutlook.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Carbon steel sheet, MDF sheet, colored mirrored acrylic sheet, and transparent acrylic sheet. See how beautiful our little box turned out. Now pay attention to this barbecue. I think it already deserves a like on this video. I designed it to be assembled just by fitting the sheets. No welding, no screws, and no rivets are needed. For more information about this machine, or if you need a specific project, feel free to email me at ricktronoutlook.com. My name is Ricardo Alencar. I can also assist you if you have a specific project in mind. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give me your like and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye and see you next time.